Have you ever seen a rainbow made of fire or an ocean that glows in the dark? Stick around because we're counting down 5 of the rarest and most mind-blowing natural phenomena on Earth. Have you ever seen something so incredible, so breathtakingly beautiful that it felt like magic? Our planet is full of wonders, but some are so rare, so fleeting that witnessing them is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Today, we're counting down the top 5 rarest natural phenomena in the world. These are the spectacles that make you question what's real and what's a dream. From glowing oceans to rainbows made of fire, get ready to be amazed by Mother Nature's most exclusive light shows. Stick around, because you won't believe what our number 1 spot is. Coming in at number 5, we have bioluminescent waves. Imagine standing on a beach at night, and instead of darkness, the waves crashing onto the shore glow with an ethereal electric blue light. It looks like something straight out of the movie Avatar. This magical phenomenon is caused by tiny marine organisms called dinoflagellates. When these microscopic plankton are disturbed by the movement of the water, they emit light as a defense mechanism, a process known as bioluminescence. It's like a silent, shimmering alarm system. While this can happen in various oceans around the world, seeing a concentrated, brilliant display, often called a red tide by day and a blue tide by night, is incredibly rare. The conditions have to be just right. A massive bloom of these specific organisms, calm waters, and a dark night. Places like the Maldives, Puerto Rico's Mosquito Bay, and parts of the California coast are famous for these occurrences. But catching a truly spectacular show is all about luck and timing. It's a surreal experience that reminds us of the hidden magic shimmering just beneath the surface of our oceans. Next up at number 4, we have fire rainbows. Now, despite the name, these have nothing to do with fire and they aren't technically rainbows in the traditional sense. Their scientific name is a bit of a mouthful: circumhorizontal arcs. These stunning displays look like a vibrant, multicolored flame painted across the sky. So, what causes them? It's an incredibly precise celestial alignment. For a fire rainbow to appear, the sun has to be very high in the sky, at an elevation of more than 58 degrees. Then, its light has to pass through high-altitude cirrus clouds that are filled with plate-shaped ice crystals, all oriented horizontally. It's like a perfect storm of atmospheric optics. The light refracts through these ice crystals, splitting into a spectrum of colors, just like a prism. Because of the strict requirement for the sun's height, they are most commonly seen in mid-latitude locations during the summer. If you live closer to the poles, your chances of seeing one are almost zero. They are fleeting, often lasting only a few minutes, making them a truly special and rare sight to behold. A splash of iridescent color that turns the sky into a canvas. Our number 3 spot takes us to Venezuela, to witness the incredible Catatumbo lightning. This isn't just any lightning storm, this is the most persistent, most electrifying spectacle on Earth, occurring over the mouth of the Catatumbo River where it empties into Lake Maracaibo. This atmospheric phenomenon is a near-constant tempest. We're talking about lightning that flashes for up to 10 hours a night, for as many as 260 nights a year. The sheer volume is staggering, with an average of 28 lightning strikes per minute during its peak. Scientists believe this everlasting storm is caused by a unique combination of topography and wind patterns. The winds blowing across the lake and the surrounding swampy plains are forced upward by the Andes Mountains. This rapid uplift of warm, moist air creates the perfect conditions for a continuous cycle of thunderstorm generation. The lightning is so bright and consistent that for centuries, sailors used it for navigation, calling it the Maracaibo Lighthouse. It's a powerful, awe-inspiring display of nature's raw energy, a place where the sky is never truly dark. Sliding into our number 2 position are the mesmerizing frozen methane bubbles. This phenomenon looks like a scene from another planet. Imagine frozen lakes with stacks of luminous, white orbs trapped just beneath the surface, creating an alien-looking polka-dotted landscape. These bubbles are actually methane gas, released by decomposing organic matter like dead leaves and animals at the bottom of the lake. As the methane rises, it gets trapped by the forming ice in winter. As the temperature continues to drop, more and more bubbles get caught, creating vertical stacks of frozen pockets of gas. While this happens in many northern lakes, finding a clear, dense, and visually stunning display is rare. Lakes like Abraham Lake in Alberta, Canada, have become famous for this, but the conditions need to be perfect. A quick, hard freeze without much snow, so the ice stays clear like glass. It's a beautiful sight, but it comes with a warning. Methane is a highly flammable greenhouse gas. If you were to pop one of these bubbles and light a match, it would ignite. It's a stunning, yet poignant reminder of the unseen processes happening all around us. And now, for our number 1 rarest natural phenomenon in the world, the morning glory clouds. This is perhaps one of the most bizarre and least understood meteorological events on the planet. Found almost exclusively in one remote corner of the world, the Gulf of Carpentaria in northern Australia. These clouds are enormous, perfectly formed rolls that stretch across the sky for up to 600 miles, or 1,000 kilometers. They can be a single tube or appear in groups of up to 10, rolling across the landscape at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. They typically form in the early morning, hence the name. and are often accompanied by sudden wind gusts and a rapid increase in humidity. Scientists are still debating the exact cause, but it's believed to be a complex interaction between sea breezes from opposite sides of the Cape York Peninsula and a high-pressure system in the center of Australia. The unique geography of the area creates a wave in the atmosphere, and if there's enough moisture, this wave becomes visible as a cloud. For glider pilots, riding these atmospheric waves is the ultimate thrill. For the rest of us, witnessing this incredibly rare, perfectly sculpted cloud formation is a truly humbling experience, proving that our planet still holds mysteries that defy simple explanation. So there you have it, 5 of the most elusive and magical events our world has to offer, from glowing seas to rolling clouds. Nature's capacity to surprise and inspire us is truly limitless. Which one of these would you most want to see in person? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the world's rarest wonders, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible content. See you next time.